Hey guys, it's Matt again over here at Lee Miles in Birdsboro. Just want to go over a vehicle we're working on today. We got a Dodge Journey here, a 2016 with the 3.6 liter V6 engine. This vehicle came in with a check engine light on, and we need to get that taken care of for the customer. So what we did is we scanned the vehicle and we had a P0128 code, which is a thermostat rationality code. Basically, it means the thermostat's not working properly. We have to figure out what's going on with that. So we're midway through the repair on this one, so we're gonna show you what actually happened here. What this vehicle has that's kind of special is the thermostat is actually built into the thermostat housing. The thermostat housing is made out of plastic, as you can see here. So we're gonna put a flashlight on here to show you what's going on. But basically what's happening with this particular vehicle is it was running colder for longer than it should. It wasn't warming up very fast. It took a long time, about a half an hour, for it to get real good heat inside the vehicle, which it shouldn't take that long. It should take 5 minutes or so to do that. So underneath here, what you'll be able to see, and it's going to be tough here with the video, you can see some light coming through at the edge here of the thermostat. The light that's coming through is showing you where the coolant in the system is bypassing this thermostat. What that allows it to do is it allows the coolant to bypass the thermostat instead of staying in that engine to warm it up super fast for the customer. So by that happening, what happens there to cause that is this plastic is actually getting warped from getting heated up and cooled down hundreds and hundreds of times. So this is a pretty common issue that we're seeing. So the repair for this is to replace this entire thermostat assembly. Then what we do is a fluid exchange on the entire system. So we have all brand new coolant in the system. And then we go ahead and wrap everything up and clear the codes out of the system to take care of the check engine light for this customer. So we're about halfway through here. We just have to bleed out the system here, and we're gonna have another happy customer with no more check engine light.